You can see I set the top. I already welded all the flats. I gotta do the overheads. I got my favorite tool for a structural iron worker, certified to weld, racking columns, pushing plate out instead of beating your freaking brains out with an 8-pounder. Got that tacked. Now I'm good to weld. Just saying what's going on. A couple little tools that make life real easy. My little buddy, great for connecting, great for holding the bent plate, taking the bolt out, getting the push with the Porta Power. You know, hey, there's the rig. But just want to give you a shout. It's all good. Have a great day. Porta Power. Excellent. I'm out.